While Srimanta Sankaradeva enacted his first play and also acted in it, Shakespeare acted in his first play in 1587. That was 119 years after Sankaradeva. So Sankaradeva was a pioneer in entire world. The enactment of Sankaradevas plays are known as Bhaona. So when an Ankiya play is enacted, it is called Ankiya Bhaona. There are so many metaphors used in the Ankiya plays. For example, the divine characters enter the arena through under the Agnigar, where 9 wicks are kept aflame. These 9 wicks symbolize 9 modes of devotion. Similarly, the divine characters enter after a cloth called Pamari Bastra is lifted. This Pamari Bastra is a metaphor of illusion. When illusion is dispelled, the knowledge dawns. So the text of the Ankiya play is meant to illuminate the audience about knowledge, about divinity, about God, and about ethical things. Srimanta Sankaradeva used his literature and cultural activities in order to carry on his reform activities. For example, his Ankiya plays happen to be an instrument for bringing about ethnic integration in the Brahmaputra Valley. During that time, there are so many conflicts among the ethnic groups. So Sankaradeva was determined to bring about unity among the people. So he did some very significant things. He designed all the costumes used by the actors in his plays himself, and these costumes reflected the ethnic styles. For example, the jacket worn by the Sutradhar was taken from the Tiwa people. The ghuri worn by the Sutradhar was taken from the Rava tribe. Similarly, the headgear worn by the Sutradhar was taken from the Jaintia tribe. During that time, the entire Northeast used to be one geographical entity. And Sankaradeva used to travel a lot because one river in the hill areas known as Amahur finds mention in his songs. One is Raga is named after Mahur. Another component of the costume, Tangali, was taken from his own ethnic group, that is the Bhuyas. Thus, the different parts of the costumes reflected different ethnic cultures. The bracelet worn by the Sutradhar was taken from the missing community. It used to be worn by the missing headmen who were called Gam. So this bracelet came to be known as Gam Kharu. Sankardeva's costumes were also very significant in the selection of their colors. The pious characters and the Brahmins wore white costumes. The ascetics wore saffron color cloth. The demon characters wore black color cloths, and the cruel characters, they wore red color cloths. Another significant point in the costumes happened to be the difference in the costume of the ascetics in Ankiya play from other plays elsewhere in India. The ascetics, they used to cover their knee but not the ankle. So the length of the cloth, that is the under part of their costume, was not like elsewhere in India. Moreover, the non-divine characters came to the arena by wearing mask. Mask happened to be a distinctive feature of Sankaradevas Ankiya plays. Thus, the Ankiya plays had very distinctive features, and they continue to be popular, and they continue to attract people, and they continue to be practiced all over the Brahmaputra Valley even now. Thank you.